Welcome to the Coastal Crafts
Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this water floss. So I got the teal color or aqua color. So it says portable 3 modes, 360 clean your teeth, capacity 220 ml, waterproof design. So Naomi, so this is what the device looks like. It came with a manual. So there's the nozzle, control panel, grip handle, water tank. There's the on and off button. It has 3 modes, soft, normal, and pulse. It came with a charging cable. So the charging cable is very thin. Charge this water floss, all you have to do is open this protector, and so that's how it looks like. There are some attachments that's inside this bottle holder. Lock the bottle holder, you just have to twist it. See, twist it out of that little notch over there. When disassembled, it looks like this. This is the cup, and there is a line over here for the highest, it's hard to see, but the highest water level. And it comes with 4 attachments. According to the instructions here, here's the attachment: standard nozzle, scraping tongue coating nozzle, periodontal, pocket nozzle, and orthodontic nozzle. So let's check that out. Okay, so the number 1 is the standard nozzle. So all you have to do to attach it is attach the attachment, just do it like that. So that's the standard nozzle. The next is the scraping tongue coating nozzle. That's this one. And then the periodontal pocket nozzle, that is this one. It has like a rubber in the tip, like a silicone. It's hard to see, but it has a silicone in the tip. And lastly, we have the orthodontic nozzle, which has a kind of brush at the tip. So it says here this is suitable for cleaning braces. So let's refill this water floss and see if it works. I have some water here. I'm just gonna fill it up with water. Okay, so let's attach this. I've already partially charged this item, so we could try it out. How each of the attachment functions. So we're trying out the standard nozzle first. I'm just gonna squirt it on the sink so you can see how it works. Here is the nozzle. I'm gonna press the button. Ooh, it's pretty strong. So normal, turn it off. And how do you do it? So let me try to pulse. Also, you have to turn it on and off to go to the next setting. So soft. This is pulse. I really don't know the difference so I'm already running out of water, as you can see. So let's try the next attachment. Attach the next attachment, which is the tongue scraper. So let me see how it works. Oh, it's actually it squirts water right up there. You can see. So I need to add more water. Okay, so I have refilled the water. Let's try one more time. So oh, there you go. That's more like it. So let's try the next attachment. Next attachment is the periodontal pocket nozzle, the one with the silicone on top. So let me attach that here, and let's see how it works. So, whoa! So this one is a finer, more targeted. It's actually very powerful and very small. So that one's, you can see. And then let's try the last one. Last nozzle is the orthodontic nozzle. Let's try this out. Oh, so this one is more spread out. And you could like brush your braces with this.